never know. No more hide and seek. You are the highest dream to me, and as you softly sleep, then I can tell you what it means. Locked in my arms like love is life, I will not let you slip away. Is this the summer of the month? Is it my night of nights that you came to stay? You are owner of my heart, just the way that love should be. And there is something I must say to you. If you promise to believe that it's you I'm living for, then I could not love you more. Seasons come and seasons go. These are the truest words I know. Face to face, eye to eye. This is the